Most B2B sales teams don't need more tools, they just need the right tools. But too often, companies are adding tools to try and fix a weak sales process, and it just simply won't work. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 tools I use on a weekly basis, and I wouldn't be where I'm at if I didn't have them. Number 1, HubSpot Sales Hub. And I know you out there may be saying like, dude, Pipedrive's better and GoHighLevel and et cetera, but I can tell you I've used them all, and the HubSpot sales tool is by far the best out there for organization, follow-up, and to quickly take action across leads, deals, opportunities, tasks, calls, etc. Without having the HubSpot sales tool, you couldn't possibly know what the next steps are, and then you would probably lag a little bit when it comes to the follow-up and things will get forgotten about. Now, obviously, a tool is only good as the user, and if you're not using any of these tools, then there's no hope for you, and you should probably hang up your sales hat and move on to something else. But this tool will keep you organized. Now, if you're like, hey, I'm not a HubSpot house, I use this other platform, I'm sure you can figure out a way to make it work, but you have to have a system in place in order to keep yourself organized and know which direction is north and how to get there. Number 2 is going to be LinkedIn Sales Navigator / LinkedIn Premium. If you're in B2B, LinkedIn should be your premier choice to find potential people to sell to, prospect to, network, and build out your connection database. The cool thing about Sales Navigator is it gives you additional features to filter with that you can go a little bit deeper when it comes to figuring out what is your lead list and then even saving contacts into a lead list. I've been using it for over a decade. It's a great system. The only drawback is that it does have a different inbox. So if you are messaging people through Sales Navigator, you will not see those messages in your normal LinkedIn. It's a completely different platform, a different app on your phone, but it allows you more flexibility since over the last 5 to 8 years, they moved most of the advanced features of filtering off of regular LinkedIn once they launched LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So that's where you'll see the things where you can go after job function, job type, geographic location, tools that people have. And for less than $100 a month, it really just pays for itself very quickly. But you have to make sure that you are using it correctly and you're using it daily. Otherwise, you're not going to get any value out of it. The third one is Granola. And by Granola, I don't mean what you eat. I mean the app for note taking. This is something I learned about 10 months ago at a HubSpot meeting that I had with one of the top executives, and they had a Granola app. And what it does is it takes notes to any meetings that you have. And the cool thing about it is that it is not something that adds itself into the meeting where you've got a different Otter AI or Firefly or whatever it is. It's just an app on your computer you download to it, and it's constantly listening to the microphone and listening to the speakers and taking notes. And from it, what's cool is that you can then chat with your notes, and it uses an LLM. It also has an app for your phone, so if you're on the go and you're in a meeting, you can just click Start Granola app, and then it'll take the transcription, it'll generate the notes for you very quickly after the meeting, and it all stays on your phone or your computer. It is by far, hands down, the best note-taking app I've ever seen. It integrates with most things, and most importantly, it does integrate with Claude directly, so you can take additional actions once that meeting is ended. Number 4 is going to be your LLM of choice. This should be your best friend. It does not matter if you use Claude, Perplexity, Gemini, GPT. You need to find one that you like and stick with it. And by stick with it, I mean spend some money. For $20 a month, you can get a lot of advanced features, especially if you're looking at ChatGPT versus Claude. The difference between the two LLMs is pretty small. One's better for reasoning with Claude, and the other one's better for generation of things like GPT. But if you needed to do a presentation, you can certainly just have Claude do it for you. But if you're not on the paid version, then you're going to run out of credits, and then it's going to be saying, hey, you're not able to use me again for another 4 hours. Just wait back. So spending the $20 or $25 with picking a Claude paid or a GPT paid platform, now you can start to see a little bit of the power. And depending on how dorky you want to get, you can even build custom agents, custom workflows, and custom co-working stations, which is very easy to do. Even with no coding background, you can look up YouTube videos to figure out how to do it and connect to different sources, programs that you use often, your email, other systems, etc. You can connect to it and then pull information out of it. Make sure you have a closed loop system, so when you are prompting the LLM, it understands more context behind it, and it's not just like using the free version. By far the best $20 to $25 you will spend as long as you use it. Don't become obsessed over it, and don't use it for everything. There still has to be the human aspect unless you've built an agent that does exactly what you want it to do based on your teachings, but it is very much worth the extra money to be using this on a daily basis. And number 5 is going to be your phone. And I don't mean your phone for making phone calls. I mean your phone for taking videos. You can easily take videos from your phone, post those out on social, post them to YouTube, send them through messages via email, so many different things. But you need to take the videos and create the content to get your name and your face out there. If you couple that with the Sales Navigator aspect, which means you should be on LinkedIn if you're in B2B, then you can quickly create content, quickly engage with people, run the app on the go, and then start to see what type of content people do and don't like. You don't have to worry about editing. I would not add that to my top 5 sales tools for 2026. I would say that's probably not even in the top 20. Just shoot the video. It does not matter how raw it is. It does not matter if you mess up. Shoot it, post it, keep it short, brief, under 60 seconds. If you want to do a live, if you want to go on for a few minutes, you could do that, but the phone is all that you really need. Maybe if you couple it with a microphone if you're in a noisy situation, but if you can jump into an office, jump into the corner of your facility where it's a little bit quieter, shoot that video, post it, and you'll be shocked at the type of responses that you get. So that's it. That's the list. You've got the HubSpot aspect to handle all of your management of your sales. You've got LinkedIn Sales Navigator to do additional prospecting. You've got the Granola app to take notes once you are having conversations. You got an LLM to help you with any deliverables. And last but not least, you need a content machine. If you guys got value out of this content, share it with someone that you know. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on notifications, and I will see you on the next one.